Because you know when you have tears in your eyes, you can't see straight. When you have tears in your eyes, you can't think straight. When you have tears in your eyes, you don't know where you're going and don't know what you're doing and don't know how to get to the next thing that there is to get to. But when God wipes away the tears from your eyes and removes all death, removes all grief, removes all sorrow, God already knows what you care about. God already knows what you're concerned about. God already knows what you're struggling with. He said, if you know that I am with you, then you can handle anything that comes. But when that which is perfect is come, oh, then we'll see him truly as he is.